let's do a hypothetical. Let's do a hypothetical and we'll just go through it. Let's say I go out. I'm a young guy. I'm 24 years old and I want to get into racing. Okay, cool. I save my pennies and I go out and I buy like a 2019 GP 1800R SVHO and I want to be competitive. Okay, cool. So I go to a few races and I've got, duct tape numbers and I've got an old wetsuit but then I start winning or I start actually getting on the podium. Okay. So what, and I got my girlfriend, she's taking pictures of me. Okay, cool. Oh, look at Kevin go. Kevin's doing so good. And here's his blue Yamaha. And oh, doesn't he look great? No, he's all decked out in blue and he's, the Blue Devil. Okay, great. Well, I start putting up all these pictures and start putting up all these posts. And then I reach out to Riva Racing. And I go, hey, Riva, you give me some free product and I'll wear it in my pictures. Okay, sure. I'll send you some t-shirts and hats. Okay, cool. I'm getting some free stuff. And all of a sudden, Riva hits me up and goes, hey, man, you want a set of sponsons? Yeah, I do. Hey, you need an impeller? Yeah, I do. Okay, you put them in your Instagram page. Okay, cool. Well, you're getting product. Now, usually, if you're smart, you got to find a way to monetize that. You go, hey, listen, sign me a couple bucks and we'll do that. Now, the nice thing is that Sea-Doo, Yamaha, Riva, a bunch of these companies, they have contingency programs for the up-and-coming racer who wants to be a sponsored racer. Here's the catch. Sponsored racers also have to be internet savvy. They also have to be social media savvy, all right? A lot of guys who are quote-unquote influencers for Sea-Doo, they have a very strict menu of things they have to produce every week, all right? If you fall short, they cut you off, okay? But if you deliver and you get X amount of clicks and you get X amount of views and you put up 2 posts a day or whatever the number might be, and you're hitting all your numbers, they'll start sliding you stuff. Hey, you want a brand new ski for next year? Oh, man, really? Yeah, if you got enough viewership, you got enough eyeballs on you, we want you to ride. Okay, cool. That's how it works out. Now, the problem is that racing is absurdly expensive. Not only are you paying entry fees, not only are you paying for insurance, not only are you traveling to the venue, not only are you buying gas, you're getting all your friends to go, you're getting, you got to get a hotel room, you got to feed all of them. You got 2 or 3 people minimum who are your crew for racing. Well, now you're out several $100s for a race. And the problem is that even if you podium, you might come home with $250 total from your sponsors and from the winning prizes. And you're like, bro, I'm not even breaking even. If I can't break even, what am I doing this for? Okay. So the problem is that there's really no way to make racing a career. All right. Even the best athletes. All right. Mark Gomez is, in my opinion, easily one of the most talented, capable jet skiers on earth today. The guy races, he does freestyle, he does free ride. You put him out in 30-foot surf, you put him on a closed course with buoys. There's nothing the guy can't ride. Okay? There's nothing the guy can't ride. Lives out in Havasu. He's dialed. He is everything a jet skier should be. All right? And at least in my opinion. I think very highly of Mark. I've known Mark for a very long time. Well, here's the reality. He didn't buy his Dodge Power Wagon from jet skiing. He doesn't pay for his flights to Portugal to be part of the IFWA from jet ski races or his winnings from Daytona Freeride. There's no money there, or at least not the money to do it. All right. He's doing professional stunt work on camera. He's doing commercials. He's actually in movies. He worked for Universal Studios. All right. The money is not in the industry. And I'm going to tell you, you would think the most money in the industry would be in racing, right? Look at Dustin Farthing. Oh, he's a millionaire. Dustin didn't make his millions jet ski racing. Dustin was smart with his money, but he had a construction firm. And then he leveraged that money and he went into dealerships. He's got his own dealerships. Okay? Selling stuff. He's got a product. When you're the product, you're not worth a lot of money. You're just not. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.